Hi, beautiful people. This is Masego Moatswi. I'm 26 years old. I'm acting. Please vote for me because I believe I got the passions to do it. So vote for me. Not again. You can't just dump me for trying to be nice to you. Ethan, do you hear yourself when you talk? Or do you just talk because you can talk? I am sick and tired of you, Ethan. I'm sick and tired of you. Do you hear me? Do I make myself clear? Every time I try to impress you, you turn me off. What the hell is wrong with you? Get out of my house. Just don't you dare say another word. Because you're just a hypocrite. Every time I be nice to you, this is what you do to me. You can't just buy me a nice present like I did. You bring me a present saying it's over. What kind of bastard are you? Oh, Ethan, I love you so much. Can you please once, just once, give me the love back? That's all I'm asking. Just one love from you, Ethan. Do you know what, that bastard is going out of my life. I bought you for Ethan. I wanted me and Ethan to celebrate our Valentine's Day today. And guess what happened? You disappointed me. So don't worry, I'm gonna drink you even though I'm alcoholic. Ah! This is strong. I'm not going to cry for that bastard. I'm just going to drink you, baby, okay? Don't cry, I'm here with you. Because me, I'm not going to cry, okay? I promise you. Oh, God, this is very great. Cheers to freaking week. I'll drink for that. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah. I love this. This is great. You know what? I'm fucking enjoying myself. No one is bothering me in my house. This is my apartment. So I'm gonna do the hell I want. I'm gonna just enjoy myself once in life. If you want to come join me, you're welcome. You know what? You're very expensive. Ah! You're very strong, you two. Oh, shit. So bring the music on, Didi. Because I'm gonna dance. Dance. Party! Do you want to come and join me? So come and party up in my house. There's freedom. Do you know what I talk? It's freedom. People don't have freedom. Me, I have it. Because you know what happened? Ethan just dumped me. It's very nuts. Can you imagine someone dumping you in Valentine's Day? These boys of these days, they're mad. But I don't care. Because me, I'm strong and I don't even cry. Don't worry, I'm not crying. It's just you trying to make me cry. You are lying. You're not going to do that. You. We fell in love and oh, please. Just me and you. Fell in love in a hopeless place. That's the way I'm feeling. can't. Nah. I'm not drunk, I'm fine. I'm just tired. I just feel like sleeping. I can't even see my own bed. But I have to get rid of you. I'm gonna drink. I told someone to bring the music on. Where's the DJ? Oh, sorry. This is my house, it's not the club. I thought I was in the club. Oh, God. I was going to get married to Ethan. Tin, tin, today. Tin, tin, today. Working in the other. Tin, tin, today. Tin, 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 today. Tin, tin, today. Ethan, I love you so much. I can't do this anymore. I just can't.